Hi guys, welcome to your channel. Today I came with a video with all the heartbreaking seconds. I hope you like this video. As always, like and subscribe to the channel. Comment about the video. I love you so much. Let's go to the video. A cable car accident in Antalya left one dead and left many stranded. Following the accident that left one person dead and several injured, rescue efforts continue for 184 people who were stuck in the cable car line. According to official and local media, on Friday, one person was killed and 7 others were injured after a cable car caught a beam and opened in southern Turkey. This incident brought the entire cable car system to a standstill. Antalya my Muhittin Bujek said efforts to rescue the 184 people trapped in the cable car are continuing. Roof systems are being used for rescue operation and Right Vision helicopters are moving to the area, Bujek said. Currently 184 of our citizens are present in 25 cabins and hopefully we will save them all safely, the mayor added. According to Interior Minister Ali Yelikaya, 5 of the injured were airlifted from the mountain and efforts to evacuate the remaining to continue. He also shared on its social networking site that the rescue operation involved more than 160 first responders such as Coast Grand Air Crews and mountaineering team from different regions of Turkey. Images from Turkish media showed the damaged car hanging from the uprooted cable on the side of a rocky mountain while doctors tended to the injured. Friday was the last day of a 3-day public holiday in Turkey, marking the end of the holy month of Ramadan, which takes families to beach resorts. The cable car takes tourists from Konyaaltı Beach to a restaurant and viewing platform at the 618-meter peak of Tonektepe Peak. The Berlin highway accidents are being investigated as Islamist attacks. On Tuesday evening, 6 people were injured due to the collision of a car with several cars and motorcycles. German authorities have ordered a 30-year-old man accused of deliberately driving his car into other car along a major Berlin highway, injuring 6 people to be transferred to a mental institution as investigators continue to probe the man's motives, German prosecutors said on Wednesday. That the suspect, the series of accidents was an act motivated by Islamism. 6 people were injured, 3 of them critically, after a vehicle collided with a car and motorcycles on BAB 100 around 7 p.m. on Tuesday. According to Berlin's public prosecutor's office, preliminary investigations showed that the accidents were a deliberate attack on other road user by an individual. This 30 years old man was arrested on the spot by police officers. The spokesperson for the Attorney General's office said the suspect veterinary hunted down the motorcycles with his vehicle. The prosecutor of Berlin announced in a statement. The defendant's statement after his action indicates a religious Islamist motive. There were also indications that the suspect suffered from mental instability and had posted information about the planned act on social media. No evidence has been found that the suspect is a member of a terrorist organization. State security officials are now leading the investigation. Berlin Mayor Michael Müller said on Twitter that he was deeply shocked by the incident. A cable car accident in Antalya left one dead and left many stranded. Following the accident that left one person dead and several injured, rescue efforts continue for 184 people who were stuck in the cable car line. According to official and local media, on Friday, one person was killed and 7 others were injured after a cable car pod beat a beam and opened in southern Turkey. The incident also left many stranded for hours as it brought the entire cable car system to a standstill. Antalya Mayor Mahiti Bujek said efforts to rescue the 148 people trapped in the cable car are continuing. Rope systems are being used for rescue operation and night vision helicopters are moving to the area. Bujek said currently 184 of our citizens are present in 25 cabins and hopefully were saved them all safely. The mayor added. According to Interior Minister Ali Yenitaya, 5 of the injured were lifted for the mountain and efforts to evacuate the remaining to continue. He also shared on the X social networking site that the rescue operation involved more than 160 first responders such as Coast Guard, air crews and mountaineering team for different regions of Turkey. Images from Turkish media showed the damaged car hanging from the uprooted cables on the side of a rocky mountain while doctors tend to the injury. Friday was the last day of a 3-day public holiday in Turkey, marking the end of the holy month of Ramadan, which takes families to beach resorts. The cable car takes tourists from Konyaaltı Beach to a restaurant and viewing platform as the 680-meter take-off Conte Peak. Italy, 5-year-old boy killed in crash during YouTube driving challenge. The accident happened when a Lamborghini SUV collided with a family car in Rome on Wednesday evening. YouTubers were trying to drive for 50 hours straight. A 5-year-old boy was killed in Rome after a rental Lamborghini SUV crashed into a small family car during a YouTube challenge Wednesday evening. A sports car carrying 5 young people. Sports cars are believed to be members of a team of influencers who regularly post videos on social media. They have over 600 subscribers on their YouTube channel, The Borderline, 260,000 on TikTok and 88,000 on Instagram. The accident happened when they set themselves a new challenge that involved speeding through in Italian capital and spending 15 hours straight in the car. Witnesses quoted in the media said they had seen them in their neighborhood for a day or two, reaching speeds of 90 to 100 kilometers well above the city's speed limit. In a video apparently shot by the he can be seen getting into a blue Lamborghini and telling the camera, "Get out of my way with your smart car that cost €300 second and at the supermarket will mine worth $1 billion." The accident and the death of the little boy have caused a strong political reaction. Well, friends, this is today's video. I hope you like this video and I am waiting for your comments about this video. I read all your comments. I love you very much. I will see you in the next video.